Hello everyone, so let's continue our code about the game. So before returning to the update function, let me explain about the loop function. So this function contains the request animation frame loop, which is created which is for animation, because what it does is, for example, it draws our pictures, then it updates, then it 1 minute. Then it updates our hero, our villains, and it comes to request animation frame and does the same every time. But there is some time between this, so that's why we get there is a wait. So that's why we get animation. So our update function for our hero was this. We had hero y assigned to hero y minus hero y delta. This was taking place when we assigned hero dot y delta 10. So it goes up by it continues to go up by 10, and as it goes by how much for this I create this condition. For what does it does? As we press the up key, we assign to hero dot first p our hero dot y. So it is the place where our hero is situated. So as its coordinate grows, we see this condition. Is it much? Is it more than the height of our hero? So we put hero dot first place, which is our original hero dot y, minus hero dot height. So the maximum height that it and if it is greater than it, we assign to hero dot y delta minus hero dot y delta, and it will go down. So to see this, if I press the up key, it goes up by its height. So here we have, for example, this, and it goes by its height. And as it reaches its height, it starts to go down. So one more condition: hero dot y is equal to 0. This is we go up. We assign to hero dot y 0, which is 0, and we change our hero dot y delta. So it as it reaches the top, it starts to go down. So we have hero dot y. If hero dot y is greater or equal than b minus hero dot y height, we assign to hero dot y this b minus hero dot height, and we assign to hero dot y delta 0. This is this one push it down. So this can, if we write this condition, it go under the this is about our update. Mostly this our update for hero. This is mostly for upkey. It is actually for the upkey. So what else? For our hero, we also have event.key code upkey, and in this case, it will assign it will go to the bottom of our canvas, and if we press the down key now, it will just go to the bottom of our canvas, and as we go up and down, it will assign to hero dot y delta and 0, because we don't want to continue to move after we press the bottom. So here it is. Then we have event.key code right here, which is it will increase our x by x delta, which in our case is which is 20. So if we press the right, it will go to right, and here. if our hero.x is greater or equal than our width minus hero.width, we will assign hero.x this number. So this is the case when we reach our canvas width. We just if we press our key, it doesn't appear on canvas. This, and if we press our left key, then we assign to hero.x minus hero.x delta. So it will just, if our left equal to the left. And this condition is if hero.x is equal to 0, we will assign hero.x to hero.x our 0. So if we continue to press our left key and reach wall, it will not go with our canvas. This was one hero. And in our let me explain once more. In our function, we have our draw function, so it will every time it will draw our hero. And we have the function update which will up our game data, our data. And one more point about how this function draw. At first, it draws our background image, then it draws our hero. So if we update at first, it will. So if we update our data by update, at first it will and comes to our draw. At first, it will be so in that case, we'll get an image. We will not get two pictures. The first one will be covered by our background image. So this was, I hope you understand this for our hero, and now let's have our. So we have the line which is and the information about him is this one. We have his width, we have his height, and its position where it appears is random. Is a random number between here it is from we had random 1, so it will from canvas width, from the half of canvas width to canvas width, and we will have minus 100 in order to not to get beyond the canvas, and the same for y, random 3 which will get a random number from 1 to our height. And minus 100 to get beyond the limits, we will have x delta 5, we will have y delta 3, and our image for our villain will be villain. First will be villain image. It is so what we want this villain to do is move around our canvas so. In our updatable function, we will write this code. So let me explain it. First of all, when villain, first of all, we assign to villain.x, villain.x minus villain dot 1 minute. Before going to update, here we have our text layer. This will be our villain as an attack, and we will take as arguments its picture, its x coordinate, its y coordinate, its width, and its height. So and we have the access to our villain from here, villain.gamedata.villain. So it will take these arguments. And as we have our function update eval, which so let's see how it updates actually. So if villain.x, so we assign to villain.x, villain.x delta. So at first our villain goes from right to left, and it reaches, and we assign to y villain.y minus villain.y delta. So it will at first will go to left and down. 1 minute. At first it will. So you have to go left and up. So as it reaches the wall, which is the case when villain.x is smaller or equal to 0, we will assign the so here let me comment out this. We will return to this later. So here we will assign to villain.x delta a random number from 1 to 15, and we'll change the direction by